Have you ever traveled to a new country and stumbled upon a tradition that completely blew your mind? From festivals that involve throwing tomatoes to weddings where guests steal stools, the world is full of customs that can leave outsiders amazed or even a little confused. Today, we are taking you on a journey across continents to explore 10 unusual customs around the world that will surprise you. Stay tuned till the end because number 10 might just make you want to book your next trip immediately. Custom 1, La Tomatina in Spain. Let's start with the festival that's as messy as it is fun. La Tomatina in Buñol, Spain. Every year, thousands of people gather to throw over 100 metric tons of ripe tomatoes at each other. The streets turn into rivers of red pulp, and it's all in the name of good fun. Custom 2, Food Binding, Historical China. One of the history's most controversial customs was food binding in China. For nearly 1,000 years, young girls' feet were tightly wrapped to keep them small, which was considered a sign of beauty and status. Thankfully, the practice was banned in the early 20th century, but it remains a striking reminder of cultural ideals of the past. Custom 3, Kanamara Matsuri, Japan. In Japan, the Kanamara Matsuri, or Festival of the Steel Palace, celebrates fertility and protection from disease. Giant colorful sculptures parade through the streets, and the atmosphere is filled with laughter, music, and plenty of candy shaped like, well, you can imagine. Custom 4, Baby Jumping Festival, Spain. In the Spanish village of Castello de Murcia, men dressed as devils literally jump over rows of babies. Don't worry, the little ones are perfectly safe. The tradition called El Colache is believed to cleanse infants of sin and bring them good health. Custom 5, Turning of the Bones, Madagascar. In Madagascar, families gather every few years for Pamadihana, the turning of the bones. Loved ones exhume the remains of their ancestors, rewrap them in a fresh cloth, and dance with them to live music. It's not morbid, it's a joyful celebration of life and family. Custom 6, Finger Cutting Mourning, Dani Tribe, Indonesia. Among the Dani people of Papua, Indonesia, a deeply emotional mourning ritual involves cutting off a finger segment when a loved one dies. It's a symbolic gesture of pain and loss, though the practice is now rare and mostly discouraged. Custom 7, Bride Kidnapping, Kyrgyzstan. In rural parts of Kyrgyzstan, an ancient and controversial tradition called bride kidnapping still exists. Though it's often staged today with the bride's consent, historically it involved taking a woman to be married without prior arrangement. Custom 8, Monkey Buffet Festival, Thailand. In Lopburi, Thailand, monkeys are treated to a lavish buffet feast every year. Tables are piled with fresh fruit, vegetables, and even soda, all for the town's monkey population, which is believed to bring good luck and attract tourists. Custom 9, Blackening of the Bride, Scotland. In Scotland, some brides to be face a very messy tradition, being covered in food waste, soot, and feathers by friends and family before the wedding. The belief is that if a bride can handle this, she can handle anything married life throws at her. Custom 10, Crying Marriage, China. In some parts of the China, brides cry for an entire month before their wedding. It's not sadness, it's a way to express joy and gratitude, with family members joining in to create a beautiful chorus of tears. These customs may seem unusual to us, but for the people who practice them, they are a meaningful part of life, a connection to history, beliefs, and community. Traveling and learning about such traditions not only surprises us but also reminds us how beautifully diverse our world is. Which of these customs surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey, make sure you like this video, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss more amazing stories from around the world.